Good afternoon, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this beautiful 1956 Chevrolet 210 Coupe. It's a beautiful car that looks very old school but has lots of modern stuff on it. First of all, let's begin with, has a great stance, a very slight rake to the front, but it's just a little lower in front than in back. Chrome and paint are really good. Just beautiful car. This car is from a lady in Carlsbad, California. Her father began building on it, and she and her husband finished it. Has a Chevy 383 stroker with a healthy cam in it. Runs very nice. These are functional side pipes, but they're attached to the pipes that come out the back. So you basically got these side pipes which are functional, and then dual exhaust also, and they're all three hooked up. So you can see the paint and chrome stainless is great. A lot of people don't realize these windows in back actually go up and down. Very cool. Interior is beautifully done. Seat belts, the headliner is excellent. Has tilt steering wheel, has power steering, air conditioning, 4-speed automatic overdrive. Super clean car. 4-wheel disc brakes. So this really has all the stuff you need for a reliable and fun car, weekend car. It's reliable. It's a Chevy small block with a 4-speed automatic, 4-wheel power disc brakes, big old radiator. You can see it's really cleanly built, good attention to detail. Looks like a brand new steering box there, power steering, serpentine belt. Kind of unusual to have 4-wheel disc brakes, but it's a testament to the thoroughness that this car was built with. It's a fully finished interior. Trunk, batteries relocated here. There's extra storage right here, but everything's beautifully finished. Chrome and stainless are excellent. Near the top, just really gorgeous car. Carpets are good. It's a California registered vehicle. Obviously these are smog exempt. Maybe obviously, you know, might not be obvious to you, but it is smog exempt. Really nice sound. So power steering, very nice to have in a car like this. Gauges work. You have these supplemental gauges here that appear to work. So really a well done car and beautiful color combination. Headliner's like brand new. Chrome, some slight pitting here, but I think you get most of this off with a little stainless steel. So we're gonna go and the shift's really nice. Yeah, I went to second and third. Put up the window so it's not quite as loud. It's like all the gauges work. It goes down the road nice and straight. The steering, there's no shimmy. The tires look newer. Turn signals work. Stops really nice. 4-wheel power disc brakes. And it runs nice and smooth. I'm going to turn the air on. And it works nicely. Yeah, the air works nice. So turn signals work. Beautiful interior. Shows 63,778 is miles. See the windshield wipers. Windshield wipers work. Fan works. Tilt works. Easy car to drive with the power steering, power disc brakes. Comfortable. Let me know if you have any questions. The only thing I see on this is kind of odd. It's a real old radio here. Obviously not original, but this car is fantastic. So let's review. It's a 56 Chevrolet 210. It has a modern 383 crate motor, I would say. It has a serpentine belt. It's a powder-coated headers. Oh, excuse me. It has original manifolds. Power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, air conditioning, seat belts, tilt steering wheel, beautiful interior. It's California title, clean title, smog exempt. So let me know if you have any questions. Just can't say enough, really. It's a gorgeous car in great shape. I don't think you couldn't build it for this kind of money, what we're asking. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.